Hello viewers and traders, this is Simran Beg, iSharp Traders, and today is the topic about last video we did indices about Nasdaq, and today I'm gonna discuss S&P 500. What is S&P 500? How we can trade them. So after the Nasdaq, and there's the second video about the indices and what is index and what is S&P 500. Let's discuss about that, and let me go to show you what is S&P 500. So let me share my screen and then we can discuss. So S&P 500 is a S&P 500 index is a stock market index that measures the performance of 500 largest companies of US stock market, right? So that is the largest companies. Difference between S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Nasdaq have 100 companies, but is most of them is tech companies. But in S&P 500, there is financial institutions, pharmaceuticals, and different companies. So there is 100 companies of Nasdaq plus 400 more companies, which is biggest, largest cap company, means big cap companies that is involved. I will tell you the big names, but how we can trade, and we can discuss what other companies are included in that. So I'll give you a few examples, not all 400 companies names. So here are some points of the S&P 500 as a composition of the 500 companies from the various sector of the US economy, right? The weight means it's a market value of the company, means how big is the company. It's a big cap, mid cap, so depend on the size of the company. So what they select, that the 500 companies they selected, and make it like an index, which is big cap companies, big performance companies, means which one is doing the performance for those stock market. So that is the major companies, 500 companies. Okay, market indicator also, that S&P 500 people consider as an indicator too, means they see the market. If it is S&P 500 performing well, means the many investors and financial professionals use the benchmark as the axis of the health and overall market, and to compare the performance of their investment. So means 500 companies, they check this index and they see the health of like how strong is the market doing and what the market doing. So that's why they use as an indicator also. Diversification means there is a several different companies involved. Is not like a Nasdaq, just 100 companies are tech companies. There's a diversification in this S&P 500, means they have a pharmaceutical companies also, there's a tech companies also, there's a institutions also. So I will tell you the names. So it's a mid cap companies. Calculation wise also same thing which I just discussed, that it's a depend on the size of the companies and weight of the companies, means how big is the companies, right? And the name major companies in 500, that's the Apple, which is also in Nasdaq, Microsoft, Amazon. This is all app in Nasdaq also. But Johnson and Johnson, JP Morgan, Exxon Mobil Corporation, Protector Gambling, PG, and the Visa, and this kind of so many companies, like more than 400 companies is involved in S&P 500, and so they make one index of S&P 500. There's a 500 companies in that, and let me show you how we can go and trade those that market. So let me show you that recently we give them a trade on, I guess, Thursday or Friday. So there was a trade set up, that's S&P 500, and I told them that if market it's gonna break this area, we're gonna go for so let's see how the trade gonna set up, and that we draw our box. If market breaking this box or breaking my trend line, that is my target, and I have this target also, but we're gonna be looking for this target first, and if it is breaking this area, it's gonna go further down, but if not, then we're gonna exit it out here. So we're gonna enter 16,516 area. In fact, my mistake, Let me correct this thing. 4786 area. Let me correct that. 4786. Technically 87, but we can do the 86 entry. So we're gonna enter this point if market is hitting and breaking this area. If it's not hitting and breaking area, we're gonna stay away from that. And if market breaking this trend line, maybe we're gonna go for buy trade. Right now I'm looking for the sale trade. So let's see how this trade does. So 10 o'clock we start our sessions and the market came down, hit this area, did not break it, move back, and we're gonna wait until market get break this area. If it is breaking up there, I will go for buy. If not, then market is breaking this area. If it is breaking, I'll go and sell from here to there. If it is breaking up there, I'll go buy from here to this is my trend lines. Sorry, my target. Market gonna go and hit my target, this one. Okay, if it is breaking up there, if it is breaking down, then we will see. So most probably I'll sell out. So let's see. So market hit this area and finally market hit my target, and within 5 to 10 minutes market, that was in the live webinar, and we was doing the live webinar Monday through Friday. I do the live webinars, and it was 11:10 candle, and it finished by 11:20. Within a 5 to 10 minutes market hit my target. It was a 10-point gain. So 10 point means, if you see the 10 point in S&P 500, the 1 point is equal to $50. Nasdaq have a $20 1 point, but S&P 500 have a $50 1 point, because large company, big cap companies, 500 companies. So that is the point size also is a big too. So if you create like a 10-15 points you make it, or 20 points you make it, depend on situation, but normally 10 to 15 point is good on S&P 500. So we gain 10 points and we make $500 within 5 to 10 minutes, but we have to wait for the setup. So you see, that was my setup. Once market break the setup, market gonna hit that. If market break this area, I'll go for this thing. Say if it is market break upward from here to there, but I'll wait till consolidation area is clear and market gonna go and hit this area. It is almost 9.25, means almost you can say that 4,500, sorry, $450 or 460, $70. So something like that, right? But market break this area, market hit my target, and we are done. If we see that market move furthermore, look at that, market gonna stop here in this area. So market did hit this thing, pull back, that's a stop. So we are done for that. And so that's how you can trade the S&P 500, and you can make every day. There is no limit, my friend. People says you can make $100, $200, $500. There is no limit, but depend on the points. We discuss the point sizes. We don't discuss, because that is depend on your account sizes, right? It's not like if you have a $2,000 account and you gotta make $500. It's not possible. It's not realistic. Yeah, definitely you can make like $10 or $20, maybe makes sense, but not five. If you have $5,000, you cannot make like $500 or something more, right? So it's depend on the account size. If you have a really good account size, you can make fortune of the money. There is no limit for that. So we said 47.86 this market, and my target was 47.76, 10-point market target, and market hit my target. Okay, and okay, so yeah, so there is nothing else, my friend. And if you want to join iSharp Traders, you can feel free to contact us. And this is Imran Beg, iSharp Traders, signing off. Take care, guys. Bye now.